What is up, my besties? Okay, butter is here. Hey guys, I am coming in today just to do a little chit chat. Let's talk about being, well, I'm going to be talking about being 50 and remembering myself because a sister forgot, okay? I forgot. Not who I was, but who I was and things that I like to do, okay? It's never, ever, ever too late to find who you are or just reclaim who you are. And that's what we're going to talk about today. All right, guys, stay tuned. Sorry, besties. I had gotten a phone call. But anyway, I'm back. So anyway, reclaiming myself and getting to know myself again has been a journey. And I'm still working on that journey. And what I'm going to be talking about is like things that you loved or you liked or you didn't like that you're remembering. You know what I'm saying? So, if you don't know my journey, you can definitely check out other vlogs that's behind this vlog here and get caught up. I'm sorry about the sun, but it is glowing though, ain't it though? Hey. But so, in my last vlog, when I did TikTok Tuesday, I'm going to probably put a clip in right here of my hair. And what I was looking like. So with that being said, it's like I was thinking about going to get my hair done. Because when I get my hair done, I get it interlocked. You know what I'm saying? And I go all the way out to Connecticut. I do have somebody else I go to, but my main person I go to is in Connecticut. And that's like an hour and a half ride for me. You know what I'm saying? And then once you get there, it's like maybe $150 or so with styling, washing, and all these different things. And it's funny because one night I was laying in bed and I was laying there like, damn, I really don't want to spend this $150 to get my hair done. And I don't even know if I can afford it right now because I have other things going on. I mean, I can afford it, but like, do I really want to spend it? Because I can be doing that money for something else. So anyway, with that being said, and I'm saying to myself, what am I going to do? And I realized to myself, I was like, you know how to do this hair yourself. And I'm like, oh, but it will take so long and all this other stuff. Because again, when I was married, we used to do each other's hair. I showed her how to do interlock and we would do each other's hair. So I kind of we both didn't really have to ever think about paying to get our hair done because we would do each other's hair. So, and it like slipped my mind until that morning. I was like, yo, I'm gonna do my own hair. So I didn't do it that day, but I said I was going to do my hair. So what I did was I went and got the products that I needed for my hair. I also put a rinse in, and I did my own hair. And look at, she looks nice, don't she though? Look at her. She looked nice. I did it all by myself. I'm so proud of myself, and because I totally forgot that I can do my own hair. It will take me a while. It took me to do my locks. Just to interlock it, it took me 2.5 hours, but I did it. Another thing that I remembered, well, I knew, but I kind of let it fall to the wayside because I had surgery and different things. I got back into bowling. So now I go bowling once a week, and it's like the funnest time on that particular day that I love to go bowling. I mean, like, I have a team. I have 3 guys that I bowl with. It's Aaron, we call him, and then another one is Poe, and then AJ. So it's us 3 bowling and me, and it's fun. You know, they call me, come on KD. Yes, honey, because I was combo on, okay? Oh my God, I just been like having so much fun. And like today, I'm going out to breakfast with a friend, and this is amazing. And no, it's not relationship wise or nothing, like, you know, just straight friends, and I'm going to breakfast. It just feels good to go out and just to reclaim yourself and to learn new things. And there's something else I'm about to get into, and I'm excited about it. So yeah, so just because you are 50 and you're lost or you're not sure of what you want to do, don't count yourself out, okay? If you're going through a divorce, if you're going through a hard time, come on and watch my videos. Let me perk you up a little bit, okay? But that is all I got today. Get up, get out, and get something. Do something. Figure it out. Don't lay there and wallow. No, don't forget, I'm still healing. There's things that still bother me and things that maybe I could have done differently or what have you. But you know what? What's done is done. What is done is done. Get up, get out, go to breakfast. As me and my cousin say, go to breakfast. Okay? Let's go to breakfast. Okay? I'm going to breakfast. Maybe I'll show you a clip of my food later at the end of the vlog if I feel up to it. Anyway, guys, that is all I have for you today. Being 50 is not bad. I feel good. Weight loss is popping. I'm popping. My locks is popping. My bowling is popping. Let's get it popping, 50. Y'all already know. Butter is out. TTY. Let's get it popping to the L's. How about that?